welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a mystery unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my mystery box, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, super quick before we jump into this video, I just wanted to briefly touch on my absence. This is my first video back in like 9 months or something now, maybe even 10 months. I have been filming, but I have not been editing and uploading. So let me know down in the comments if you want those old videos that I've filmed but not edited and put up. Life has just been life and I have been super busy and I just haven't had the chance to be able to edit and get videos up. And even filming, I've only got, I don't know, half a dozen videos that I have filmed throughout the year. But yeah, let me know if you do want them, and I will happily post them. They're just going to be super delayed because I filmed them earlier in the year. So let's jump into today's video. I was super lucky to be able to grab one of the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics mystery boxes, and it just arrived. I was not going to film today, but I have managed to quickly do this Halloween makeup, which will be going up on my other platforms as well in short versions, but I thought I would quickly film this as well whilst I've got this makeup on. So I've just got it. I'm hoping to get this edited and up in the next day or two, but I'm so excited. I don't think Nikkia has ever done a mystery box before. I have not opened it or had a look. She is Australian based, so it did come pretty quick, thankfully. But I do live all the way over in West Australia, so we always get things last. So I have managed to stay offline and not see what other people have got in their boxes because everyone else was getting them within a day or two. Mine's taken about a week to get here. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to see what is in here. Her velvet finishing powder is like one of my ride or dies. So I'm super excited because that's meant to be in here. All right, let's unbox her. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. First up, obviously she knows the way to anyone's heart. She has got cookies in here. And I love Biscoff. And this is a Biscoff cookie. I'm so excited by that because Biscoff is like my favorite. So first item in here is this Biscoff cookie. It looks delicious. It is super chunky as well. I'm guessing if you heat it up in the microwave for like maybe 10, 20 seconds, depending on your microwave, I bet it would taste fantastic, like freshly cooked. There's another one in here too, a Brookie brownie cookie. Ooh. So this is like mixed between a cookie and a brownie. I'm excited to try them. Okay, so next up I've got this kinder.com.au dirty makeup brushes causes this. The fastest drying makeup brush cleaner, $25 off voucher. So that is interesting. Next one is from Remy and Florence Bakehouse. Looks too good to eat. And this one is a 20% off coupon code again. I'm not going to show that completely because I don't know if that's the code or if that's how to get there. Next one is from Nitas. A new era of essentials starts now. $30 off your next order. I think this looks like a active clothing line, which that's good. I have to check out and see if they do plus size, because I am definitely into working out now. I've started strength training, so be good to get some new active wear. This next one is another 25% off for Dupes & Co. So it looks like they make like perfumes and stuff. Let me just cover the codes. Okay, so those are all the little vouchers in top. All right. Ooh, all right. Oh my goodness. There is so much in this. I can't remember the price. I think it was around $150. I'm going to put it on the screen on how much I paid and how much it's like valued at. There is so many items in here. Like a lot of items. Okay. So first item, besides the cookies obviously, first makeup item should I say, is 2 powder puffs from Nikkia Joy Cosmetics. Perfect timing because I do need to replace mine because in the wash, when I just washed them last week, they started splitting. So I've had them for ages. So I can now get rid of my old ones and replace them with them. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, this is her new product. So Nikkia Joy Cosmetics just launched a sculpting brow gel. I was tempted to buy this and she sent it. Yahoo! Super exciting. Okay, so I did also add in one of her liquid blushes. Now, there is one in the mystery box and then one I brought myself. Thankfully, they are separate colors, which I'm very excited about. So one is in Flirty and one is in French Kiss. Sorry, there's the names there. Let me see if I can open them up and I will swatch it for you. Let me know if you would love a video of like trying all these products because I would be very interested in trying them all on camera for you guys. Maybe even like a wear test or something. Ooh, I love that color. Look at this. It's like a pinky. So this one was French Kiss. Oh, look at that color. These are giant as well. That is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh, I am excited to try that. And that's just on the back of my hand. So imagine when you've got it on like prepped skin. All right, this next one, this shade is Flirty. So remember I brought one's in the mystery box. Ooh, this one's like a peachy color. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the one I brought. Because pink is normally what I go for. Alright, this one, a little bit goes a long way too. Let's see if I can go a really small amount this time. Because that pink amount went heaps far. Okay. Oh, that is a beautiful shade too. Oh, I love a good peachy blush. Oh, I am excited to try these. Okay, the next item is a perfume. This is from Dupes & Co. Dreamy Revive. It's really pretty. Super exciting. Looks like a full-size one as well. Getting my hand everywhere. Let's have a look at it. Okay, this is the bottle. Absolutely stunning. Let's give it a smell. Ooh. Ooh, I really like this. I'm normally a vanilla type person. I think this has got vanilla in it. I think that's why I love it. I'm just going to quickly look it up and see what the dupe is and what the notes are because it doesn't say on here the notes and what the dupe is. Okay, well I know why I really like it because it's my favorite dupe. So it is inspired by the Kayali Vanilla, which is my favorite perfume. So that is why I really like this. I did not know that these guys had a dupe for it. So that is exciting because the Kayali is really, really expensive. So now I know where to get a backup. So this one is a delightful fragrance that opens with the creamy notes of vanilla orchid, a heart of jasmine, and is rounded out with rich, sweet base of Brazilian tonka and brown sugar. It's perfect for a cozy and indulgent experience. Love it. Absolutely love. Now I know why I really liked the smell. Ooh, what's this one? Okay, ooh, we got some tea in here. Herbal and green teas. Herbal collection, organic from Puka. And does it say the flavors in here? Okay, Supreme Matcha Green, Lemon Ginger, and a touch of Manuka Honey, 3 mint, and nighttime. I don't know if I would drink these personally myself. I'm normally a vanilla, honey, chamomile type tea person. Or like just a standard like English tea. I'm allergic to ginger, so I definitely can't have the ginger one. And matcha, I'm not a huge fan of matcha, unfortunately, even though that's really popular. But I would definitely give the other two a try. And I mean, you can always have tea in your drawer for when you have visitors. So excited to get that in here. Ooh, another Nikkia Joy Cosmetics product. Okay, this is her melting balm. I've been wanting to try this as well. So I'm excited that this is in here. If it focuses. Excited that it's in here, especially because it is Halloween time. I'm doing creative looks with creative, you know, like paints, face paints and cream paints and stuff. And it's very hard to get paint off your body. This would be very handy for those times. Alright, the next item is from Nikkia Joy Cosmetics again, and it is a pressed pigment. I have not tried her pressed pigments before, so this would be good to try as well. Let's see, does it have a name? Luna. Ooh, Luna sounds nice. If you can hear any snoring, that's my dog underneath me snoring. Well, one of my dogs. I think the other one is in my bed and one is outside barking right now. Ooh, this is like a blue to purple shift. And we all know that purple isn't my favorite color, but I really like how it's shifting. Blue, purple, actually it's got a bit of green in it too. Looks like this. I'm not sure what it's going to show on screen because obviously when shades shift, I don't know. On my camera it's looking like a greeny blue, but in person it's more of like a purple to blue, bluey green, like an aqua type color. Let's give her a swatch. Ooh, look at that. That is stunning. Where can I swatch this? Probably should put a bit more on, hey. Oh, I got it all over my finger. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh, I'm excited to try her. The next item again is from Nikkia Joy Cosmetics, and it is her matte base primer. So it is a full-size primer. Now I'll open the box for you, but I'm not going to open this because I actually have tried her primer, and her primer didn't work for my skin type, or it didn't really do anything for my skin type and my allergies. So I will pass this on to a friend or family member who loves it. This is what it looks like because I passed the other one that I brought off to them and they really liked it. So I will pass this to them as well. It is a really, really nice primer. It just didn't work for my skin type. Ooh, and here's the favorite one. Okay, so this is the last one of Nikkia Joy Cosmetics by the looks of it. And it is her Velvet Finishing Powder, and she's given us the pressed version. So this is perfect for having in your handbag. I love her loose version, but her pressed version is really good for touch-ups on the go. It's the same formula, just one's pressed and one's loose. I prefer a loose one when I'm sitting down doing my makeup. I don't mind getting messy, but when I'm out, I want a pressed version. I'm not going to open this up just because I've got a current one that is open already. So I don't want to start the shelf life on this one if I don't need to. I just went and got mine. This is what it looks like. So it's just a pressed powder, and then you open it up all the way. You have a little powder puff in here for touch-ups on the go, and as you can see, I have been doing some touch-ups, and it does have like a little mirror in there as well. Perfect from the go. Now her face powder is how I very first found her. Her face powder is ride or die for me. Absolutely love it. Perfect, amazing, makes my makeup last all day, gives me an amazing blur, just absolutely stunning. Alright, next one is from Dupes & Co, and this is Affordable Luxury Sweet Wave Body Mist, Vitamin B5 and Witch Hazel, Sugar Plum and Sandalwood. Let's smell this one. Ooh, this one's a bit strong, but smells nice still. This is what it looks like. Let me see if I can find out what this is duped for. Okay, this one doesn't say what it's duped for, but it says that it is immerse yourself in the soft sweet allure of Sweet Wave, a delicate blend of plum, vanilla, orchid and sheer sandalwood. This enchanting fragrance opens with juicy notes of plum and sugared violet, transitions into a creamy heart of vanilla orchid and whipped amber, and finishes with a smooth grounding base of fresh vetiver and sandalwood for a perfectly balanced scent. It's also enriched with vitamin B5 and witch hazel. Sweet Wave not only envelopes your senses in sweetness, but also helps keep your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. It sounds really nice. It definitely, I prefer the other one, but obviously the other one's duped off my favorite. This one is a lot stronger than the other one, but definitely has a bit of vanilla. I can smell the plum 100% in this one, and a bit of like sandalwood. Smells really nice. This will be really, really good for summer, which we're going to be in summer here in Australia shortly, so perfect for then. All right, and the lucky last product in here is from Dupes & Co again, and this is a lip balm, and it is in caramel cream. Ooh, I love caramel. Vanilla and caramel are my favorites. So let's open her up and give her a smell. See if I can squeeze some out. It's not very strong. It's got a slight caramel smell, but not super strong. But it is super cute, and you can never have too many lip balms either. So I'm excited to give this a try. This was an amazing mystery box. Let's count up how many products I have. Okay, so all up, I've got, so I had the body mist, I've got the lip balm, I've got blush, pressed powder, pressed pigment, cleansing balm, the brow gel, the primer, we've got some makeup puffs, we've got some tea, we've got the full-size perfume, and then we have 2 cookies as well. That's like 13 items if I counted correctly. And then you also have 1, 2, 3, 4 vouchers in here as well. That is an amazing value for money. Amazing. That is so good. I am so happy by this mystery box. This was an amazing mystery box. Amazing. I would definitely purchase another one if she ever lists them again, because yeah, that's such a good value for money and such good items as well. This is the kind of boxes that I love to unbox and get excited by. And there is so much like makeup products in here as well that I can try. So let me know down in the comments if you'd like me to do a try on video of all of these items. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, my first video back in ages. And let me know down in the comments as well if you want to see the videos that I filmed throughout the year that I never edited and posted, and I will try and get around to editing and posting them. A lot of them are plus size hauls. But I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my mystery box. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!